Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern McLennan County and Central Texas, Hill County and Central Texas, until 5:15 a.m. Central Standard Time. At 4:16 a.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Laguna Park, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to vehicles. This severe thunderstorm will be near west around 4:30 a.m. Central Standard Time. Covered around 4:55 a.m. Central Standard Time. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include Malone, Byram, Merkins, Brandon, Tours, Mount Calm, Irene, Penelope, Abbott, and Golson. This includes the following highways: Interstate 35 between mile markers 346 and 369. Interstate 35W near mile marker 1. Interstate 35E between mile markers 371 and 375. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows.
A severe
thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 4:30 a.m. Central Standard Time for Southeast.